What have you got the students doing?
They're wiring up three-way switches.
And you said we're about to have a race. They're going to see who can do it the fastest and the safest.
That's right.
So what's involved with that wiring? What do they have to put together?
There's two switches, two three-way switches, and of course you got a power source and your light bulb. So they got to all hook that up together in order for both those switches to work. Just like in your hallway in your home. You got one side, you can turn it on, the other side, you go to the other switch and turn it off.
Oh, very nice.